Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another one right now. I'm about to get into my Fashion Nova haul. This is day 5 of ZarZarGalore's favorite things. Thank you guys for joining us again. We are here with a haul, okay, from Fashion Nova, a whole box full. I'm gonna put on a few outfits. Today's giveaway gift is a $75 Visa gift card, so I hope you guys are ready for that. I'm feeling a little bit hot and bothered because I think I'm getting a little sicky here. I'm wearing a Yolissa V-part wig, okay? And we're just gonna get into it. So our first set is this Sage Leggings set. I think it's called the headliner set. I'm a little in the tummy because I ate a lot of gluten today. So there you go. It's really stinking cute. What I like best is this like line down the knee. It's like a crease. I think it makes the material a lot better. Okay. This is going for full price is $41.99, but y'all know how Fashion Nova is, okay? Get your look. She's super cute. I love the details with the gold. Oh, shit. I legit almost fell. Okay, so this is the Get to Know You Jumps, the bodysuit, excuse me, 2-piece set. So top, bottoms, with the leggings. The material is really, really nice. What I don't like about it, I have it pinned already. And that's primarily because I got the kind of boobies that hang low, wobble to and fro, and we don't got no time, okay? If you're picking up what I'm putting down, I'm a grown woman. I like my stuff to fit a certain way. So if I were to wear this, I will probably wear it like this. Like a little bit tighter in the back. Giving real Jada Waiter tees. I know she always tie her shirts up, and then give you a little something in the back. I really, really would, because I think it looks much better like this than it does with the whole cow neck situation. Like, what do you guys think? I like this one though. She's really cute. So I'm like a true 4'6". I have this in a medium, and I think she's kind of like giving. Okay. Here we go. You guys see that? Yeah, I think she's giving. I'm looking cute in this. So I'm going to take a picture just like this, because this is how I would want it to look, not with the whole, you know, wobble to and throw situation. And then I'll hit you with the next outfit. So this is the Freebird midi dress. This is actually my favorite piece. Throughout the whole thing, I have this in a size medium, which most of the things that I got came in a medium. It's a 3-piece set. So it comes with the bralette, the brief, okay, underneath, and the sheer overlay. Obsessed. I don't know where my husband is taking me wearing this, okay? But she is fire. Let me step back. Absolute positive fire. I'm feeling this. Now this one is going for, y'all, this was only $30.99. This is more worth it than I want to admit. Like, this is super inexpensive, and the quality is really nice. And I really like that they gave us a brief for the, like, underneath. I think it just adds love, sex, and magic. Don't worry about my pouch. Mind your business. Okay? So look at that. God. What do you guys think? Okay, so I'm in the leather lace up midi skirt. I have her in the medium. I don't wear mini skirts. It's really not my thing. They make me a little bit uncomfortable, if I'm being honest. You know what I mean? This is my truth. I have on my Naked Wardrobe hoodie. I got this from Naked Wardrobe a minute ago. I'll do a haul on them soon, or whatever the case may be. But this skirt is so stinking cute. Wagging, 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 wagging. I cannot get enough. This is so cute. So we're going on like a cruise. Joe is going playing on a cruise, and it's like a rock cruise, like he's in a rock band. So it's like a rock cruise, and I wanted to get like some leather, okay? And this one kind of came through. She's cute. but I think it gives thigh meat and butt meat. What do y'all think? Okay, so I have on two things right now. This is the black Desire bodysuit. Okay, and then these are the Unforgettable Memories zipper skinny pant. Obsessed. In the color Hunter. Y'all, I am really in a season of like leather goods, leather little pieces, whatever the case may be. I just think it kind of elevates the closet a bit, just to have like one or two like faux leather leggings or whatever the case may be. Because you can even throw, like, honestly, I went to Jing yesterday for brunch, and I just threw on a pair of leather leggings and a sweatshirt and some blazers, like sneakers, and it was done. It was a motherfucking wrap. These fit wonderfully. I have these in a medium. They do stretch a bit. I was a little bit worried about the side zipper coming undone because it doesn't have like a clasp, but I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. Now, for reference, this pants are only $22.99. These pockets do not work, if you were wondering, and this is not a real button, okay? And the top was only $11.99. Come on, fast fashions. Now, I don't know if I would wear these together in real life, okay? If I'm being honest, but I do like them separately. And final outfit, because I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie. I got about like 3 or 4 more pieces, but the way my body is set up right now, she's not working for me. So, first of all, this came damaged. Okay, Fashion Nova, we about to be beefing. So, this right here I had to pin. You guys see that? Had to pin that. Not a fan. I don't have on a bra, okay? So this is what she's looking like. This is a sheer midi leopard print dress. I figure for vacation, this is like a good option. I really do love this. Like I mean, I'm gonna be honest. This might be the best piece in the box. Love the leather pants. Love the other sheer dress, the sheer turtleneck dress. Super obsessed with that one. But this is giving how Stella got a groove back. You know what I mean? Minus him having a little tinge. That's not for me. That might be for other people, that's fine. But for me, it ain't gonna work. But other than that, I think I'm like, this is very much something that I'm taking on the boat. Pray for us on this boat, y'all. She is so cute. I do have on a Spanx. I think Spanx are super important. I wear like a nice, I have several different Spanx if I'm being honest. I have 2 5s and several different Spanx because I really do believe in wearing the proper undergarments. So sometimes I'm like 2 Spanx in, because one thing I'm not gonna do is eat. I'm not going to the gym. So I'm going to sit here and put on 2 Spanx and barely breathe to death, and I'm gonna get it like that. So I really do hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me, doing this Fashion Nova, this mini Fashion Nova haul with me. I promise you guys I'll get better. I gotta find a better space in my house to do it, but I really did want to get started and like really just put ourselves out there in 2022. Like, this is what we're doing. We are growing a brand together. Hello? So if you've been watching, you know that in here we've kind of left a little secret code, bust down. I'm giving away $75 to whatever the fuck you want, okay? I'm giving a Visa card away, and I want you guys to go on ahead and grab it. But this one, love, sex, and magic. Love, sex, and magic. I really think this is sexy. And I think it's effortless, and I cannot get past it. And it's from Fashion Nova, which means it got to me in exactly 23 hours after I put the order in. It takes 23 hours after I put the order in. So I'm pretty happy with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bust down. Subscribe to this Mimi Tagging channel. This is day 5 of ZarZarGalore's favorite things, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.